Good morning, y'all. This is Carlos from Orlando, Florida. I've acquired this discontinued Great Planes RV4 back in January of this year, 2021, of course. And I got it at a great deal for $80, airframe only. And it's amazing. This thing is in pretty good condition considering that it came with a glow fuel tank in there still with fuel. I already threw it away, but nevertheless, I got these really nice servals, the HS 645s, I believe. Yeah, let's see here. Yep, HS 645. They have lots of torque at 4.8 volts. Lots and lots of torque, and that's what I think I need for this bigger model. I'm going to fly it sport. It's not a 3D or anything like that, but it's got big aero surfaces. So here's the inners right here, and I got it already hooked up with a temporary receiver. I'm not going to fly this thing with the orange receiver by no means, but I just want to let you know that these things got lots of torque. There you go. I mean, this thing nice and smooth, got lots of torque. The same thing with the rudder. You know, this by no means, there's no humming, there's no whining, there's no nothing. These servals are worth every penny I paid for them. I think they're $31 each, and I made a decision to provide the highest analog serval torque that I can, considering the size and weight of this model. So that's so far I am at, and the wings are going to be next. And for those, I got, I believe, HS322 HDs. So more to come on that. I'll make another video with the wings all integrated with the fuse, and hopefully I'll report back. See you guys later.